Hey guys, Charlie the plumber here. So I was called out for a sump pump that wasn't working. The pit is full of water, so we pulled the pump out, and you can see that this thing is full of dirt and scale here. I've got the 3 screws out of this, so we're going to take this cover off and we're going to take a look and see if we can clean this out. You guys can see the amount of scale and dirt on that thing. Normally you don't see a lot of scale in a sump pump like this, but this one here is obviously full. It is unplugged, so I can spin this impeller, but this thing was bound up. It was not working. We're going to clean this baby out, and hopefully we can stick her back in. It won't cost our customer a new pump. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and thumbs up. That'd be awesome. Thanks. Talk to you soon.